Listen, when you're an entrepreneur and you wear many hats for your business, from owner to marketer to designer and anything in between that, Canva is the way to go, right? This is why when you find a tool that gives you the ability of all those titles plus more, you want to jump for joy, right? Because it just streamlines the processes, cuts the time in half it takes to do certain tasks with its user-friendly database, and you can easily do so much with Canva you won't know what you did without it before, because once you start using it, you just become like a Canva fanatic. Canva has undoubtedly revolutionized the world of graphic design and content creation, and it continues to be a great tool for professionals, entrepreneurs, educators, and anyone who wants to bring their creative ideas to life. As an avid user of Canva for several months and years, I'm going to share my experience and highlight Canva's features. But before we get into all that,
allow me to reintroduce myself.
my name is Devon, put in work Burke for thewealthbuilders.com. That's the Wealth Builders with a Z.com, and co-owner of the Wealth Builders Solutions LLC. If you love content like this video and talking about making more money, saving more money, and building a better you and business, then go ahead and subscribe to this channel and like this video. Now, before we even get started on Canva, because it's a lot to talk about, I love Canva. If you're interested already, go ahead, just click the link right now and get started today. It's free to sign up, actually, so you can sign up for free and get started and check out all the great usages of Canva. Now, first and foremost, Canva offers an incredibly user-friendly interface that makes designing a breeze, even for those without any prior design experience. The platform provides a vast library of professional design templates suitable for whatever you want to do, including YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, presentations, posters, logos, infographics, and more. Now, I'm going to have some videos that's going to break down my usages for Canva. I'm going to show you exactly how I get down with Canva and how I use it in a later video, so definitely be on the lookout for that. Now, the templates are highly customizable, allowing users to tailor them to their specific needs with ease. One of Canva's most outstanding strengths is that it has an extensive collection of design elements and assets, from an extensive library of high-quality stock photos and illustrations to an array of fonts, icons, shapes, and colors. Canva offers an unmatched range of resources that enable users to create visually stunning designs. The search and filtering options make it simple to find the perfect asset for any project. Any project. Also, there's another feature I love about Canva: collaboration, right? The platform allows users to invite team members or clients to collaborate on designs in real time, making it an excellent tool for collaborative projects. The ability to leave comments, suggest edits, and work together seamlessly enhances productivity and efficiency. And if you have a marketing company or a social media marketing company or anything like that, and you have a team of designers, Canva can easily be the center of your design aspect. Now, another one I love, aspect of Canva that I love is this integration with various third-party platforms. Whether it's directly sharing your design on social media platforms or exporting it into different file formats, Canva makes the process seamless and hassle-free. The platform also offers a mobile app that allows users to create and edit designs on the go, ensuring flexibility and convenience. Like, you ever been out and had an idea and wanted to design something really quick and you downloaded a separate app or this app or that app? Canva can do it all instead of having to download a different app, right? And they also are committed to improvement and updates on a regular basis. The company consistently adds new features, templates, and design elements to keep up with the ever-evolving needs of its users. The customer support team is responsive and helpful, ensuring a smooth experience and addressing any concerns promptly. Okay, I've never had a problem when I've called Canva or text Canva to help me with anything. Canva is a game changer in the field of design. With its interface, abundant resources, collaborative features, and constant innovation, it has become truly indispensable for me, and I know it will for you. If you get involved with Canva, you'll just be addicted to all the things it can do. Okay, whether you're a professional designer or a beginner, Canva empowers you to unleash your creativity and produce stunning visual content. I highly recommend Canva to anyone seeking a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly design solution. If interested in Canva, then click that link below and get started today. I'm 100% sure it will change your life when it comes to designing and promotion and marketing. All right, so again, click that link below today. Also, like I said before, I'm going to create more videos about Canva, breaking down how I use it, how we make money with it, and all that good stuff. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel. That's so you know when these videos drop. Also, click that notification bell. That's so you know when these videos drop, because there's nothing worse than missing videos. Trust me. All right, so with that being said, thanks for watching. It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, signing off for Canva, the ultimate design tool. Do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.